Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm back with a haul. I'm hauling a bunch of different stuff from a couple different places. I'm going to start with the Echo Park outlet haul. This is an online haul. They sent a sale thing to me saying it's buy one, get one free 6x6 paper pads. So I went a little bit crazy. So this is what I ended up getting. Buy one, get one free. I got the Mermaid Dreams. This one's a Cartabella baseball. I got this one, which is Be My Valentine. I Love My Dog, All Boy. America the Beautiful. It's Your Birthday. Animal Safari. Down on the Farm, because I needed to spend $50 anyways for free shipping. I Love Easter. I Love Summer. This is something completely different. And Fashionista. I also bought this die, which I can't remember the price, but it was very cheap. I want to say $4, maybe $6. And then I wanted to buy the Tomorrowland paper, but that one was out of stock. All right, I had bought it, and then they sent me a thing and refunded my money, said it was out of stock. So I got this Oh Happy Day, which I'm going to do some projects with that. So that's from the Echo Park outlet sale that they had. And it was buy one, get one free. So that's a really good deal. So the next thing I want to show you guys is from the Ink Road. So they have a special that they do. The Ink Road. I think it's once a week. I don't know if it's all the time, but it's been, I can't remember if it's $30 or $35, maybe it's $30, and they'll have a stamp set you can get for free. So this was the free stamp set, normally $20, but they were offering for free. This one's called Merry Party. And then so I bought this one, which I don't know if it has a name, but I bought this one, which is like, oh, Wish Your Heart Makes, maybe? I don't know. I have no idea. I'm all ears. Anyway, I got this one. And then this one, which is Happy Mother's Day. And then this one is, they have little girls' names. Oh, Katja. This one's a book one, Coffee and Books. So I thought that was cute. And then it looks like this is a little free gift, I guess. So it's like a stamp pad and some sequins. So that's from the Ink Road. And then there was a sale, I think it's 25% or 20%, I can't remember now. On my creative time, I really wanted this die, so I got it. It's called the Love Letter die. And so I did get this one, just this. And then from Simon Says Stamp, from their clearance area. I haven't even opened this sucker yet. Let's open this sucker up. I'll show you what I got. So everything in here was from the clearance. This is their steals and deals area that they have. That's and you can get things very inexpensive. I wish they put, like, when they send you the invoice, how much everything was. I want to say this was only $4 or $5. It was very inexpensive. It's Poetic Rose from Prima, and it's one of their 8.25 by 11.5, or it's A4 size, and it's really big. But the paper is double-sided, and it's really, really beautiful. So I got that. And then I got this paper, which is gorgeous. It has a texture to it. It's called Powder Blue Lace, and it has this beautiful texture to it, specialty card, embossed cardstock. It was a good price. And then if you bought any My Favorite Things, which I bought this tree on clearance, then you got a stamp set for free. So this is the stamp set. Here's a huge hug. It's got that. These flowers, they seem to go, I think they go with this paper, but they go with a lot of collections. And so that was very inexpensive. And then this die from Avery L. It makes like a wave or a pool or something, which I thought was cute. It's called Summer Scene. So I got that. And that is my haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Kind the Heart.